What up, YouTube? Coming at you with another video. So I was finally able to get the Holosun HE507C-GR-X2-ACSS reticle sighted in on the Glock 19 Gen 4. This is sitting on a Brownells slide with a lone wolf threaded barrel. And down below, we've got the Streamlight TLR-1 HL. Weapon's already been safety checked. So the weapon is clear. Like I said, I am in love with this reticle. It is very, very clean. I do prefer just the chevron over the full Vulcan reticle. But, you know, like I said, this is my second foray into the pistol red dot game. Originally, I had a FNX 45 tactical with the Burris Fast Fire 3 on top. Didn't really care for that red dot or that gun since I had issues with the smushy mag well. But like I said before, for some reason I always come back to the Glock 19. This is kind of like my do-it-all gun. I did have a black point holster that I previously used before I got the Brownells slide and the Holosun, and this gun does fit in it. The only thing I had to do was on the back end, this portion came up a little bit, so I just had to cut it and it fits in here perfectly. Black point tactical makes some good holsters. Like I said, originally I wasn't sure if this holster was going to work with the suppressor height sights, but as you can see here, it fits perfect. So that's about it. This is how I carry it. Let's get to the first shots. I took 5 to the torso, 5 to the head at about, I believe it was 10 to 15 yards. Glock 19 Gen 4 with the Holosun ACSS reticle. Shots. All right, YouTube, we're back. So like I said, with those shots, 5 to the head, 5 center mass, I was basically just shooting with both eyes open using the reticle. And, you know, like I said, I hit the target. So the gun and the reticle is definitely more accurate than I am. That was just the first couple shots after sighting it in, you know. But like I said, I really like this, and this Holosun and the Brownells slide definitely rejuvenated the old Glock 19. So thanks for watching the video. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and as always, thanks for watching, and God bless.